Ever dreamed of running your own online store? But then reality hits. You need products. And not just any products. You need trendy, in-demand items that'll make your store a destination, not a dead end. So, you scour the web, overwhelmed by marketplaces overflowing with, well, everything. Finding the right products can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. What if there was a way to cut through the noise and discover a treasure trove of hot-selling items, all curated in one place? Enter Spocket. But wait, what kind of products does Spocket offer exactly? Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the treasure chest that is Spocket's product catalog. Fashion finds for every style. Let's face it, fashion is a massive driver of online sales. Spocket understands that, offering a vast array of clothing and accessories to cater to every taste. Think trendy dresses for a night out, cozy loungewear for movie marathons, or graphic tees that make a statement. For the guys, there are sharp dress shirts, comfy activewear, and statement accessories. Spocket doesn't forget the little ones either. Discover adorable baby clothes, funky kids apparel, and everything in between. Looking for the perfect accessory? Spocket's got you covered. The right accessories can elevate any outfit. Spocket boasts a fantastic selection of jewelry, watches, bags, and hats to complete your customer's look. For the glam squad, there are sparkling earrings, delicate necklaces, and sleek watches. Guys can find cool backpacks, trendy wallets, and stylish hats to add a touch of personality. Transform homes with Spocket's home and garden delights. Our living spaces are an extension of ourselves. Spocket allows your customers to create their dream homes with a fantastic selection of homeware and garden products. Imagine beautiful wall art to add a pop of color, comfy throws for movie nights, or stylish diffusers to create a calming ambience. For the green thumb, there are planters, gardening tools, and even unique outdoor furniture. Beyond the basics, niche products to set your store apart. Spocket goes beyond the typical online store fare. They understand the power of unique finds. Think tech accessories for the gadget gurus, adorable pet products to pamper furry friends, or even sporting equipment for the athletes in your audience. There are even seasonal and holiday-themed products to capitalize on those peak shopping times. The Spocket advantage: quality and convenience. Sure, variety is essential, but what about quality? Spocket prides itself on partnering with reliable US and EU-based suppliers. This translates to faster shipping times and happier customers. Plus, Spocket allows you to order samples directly through their platform, so you can test out the products before you commit. From dream to reality, building your online empire with Spocket. Spocket isn't just a product catalog, it's a toolbox for aspiring entrepreneurs. With its diverse product range, focus on quality, and convenient features, Spocket empowers you to build a thriving online store. So, ditch the endless scrolling and product overwhelm. Explore the curated world of Spocket and discover the perfect products to turn your online store dreams into reality. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.